Hello friends, today we are going to see the Kickstart Google Kickstart problems 2022. This is the round G problem. So let us start for the round G. First problem is the October. Let us see the problem. Problem statement is there. Let us see problem statement. Uh, John participates. John participates in an annual walking competition called October. The competition runs for a total of n days and tracks the daily steps of the participants for all the n days. Each participant will be assigned a unique ID ranging from 1 to m, where m is the total number of registered participants. A global scorecard is maintained tracking the daily steps of each participant. John is determined to win October this year, and his goal is to score the maximum daily steps on each of the n days among all the participants. Having participated in October last year as well, he wanted to know how many steps he fell short of in achieving his goal. Given the previous year's scoreboard, calculate the minimum additional steps he needed over his last year's score in order to achieve his goal of scoring the maximum daily steps every day. The input has been given. We have to take the input. The first line of the input gives the number of test cases. T test cases follow. The first line of each test case contains three integers m, n, and p, denoting the total number of participants. First, m denotes the total number of participants. N denotes the total number of days the competition runs. N denotes the total number of days the competition runs. This is very important. And the P denotes the last year participant ID of John. P denotes the last year participant ID of the John. The next M line describes the scoreboard of the previous year and contains n integers each. The jth integer of the ith line denotes the steps count Sij of the participant with ID I on the jth day of the competition. Output assign. For each test case, output one line containing case hash x colon y, where x is the test case number starting from 1 and y is the minimum additional steps needed by John to achieve his goal. Limits. Memory limit is given. It is 1 GB. 1 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 100. Test set 1 time limit 20 seconds. M assigned 2. Test set 2 time limit 40 seconds. 2 is less than or equal to m is less than 1000. Note the sample. There are additional samples that are not run on semi down below. Sample input has been given. This one denotes the number of test case. One test case is there. This m denotes the uh, registered participant. How many participants have been registered? 3 denotes the how many days the competition run, and 1 denotes the ID of the John. Here this is the 1 and 2. First one denotes the ID of the John, and this is the scoreboard of the October. This is the ID. First is the ID of the John, and second participant ID. Participant score is given below. First is the 1000, and second participant score is 1500 steps. Here John is less. Here John is less. Here participant second has more steps, so 500 more steps is required. In the second score, John has the 2000 steps and second participant has 1500. Here John is more, so there is no need of John to achieve more steps here. And on the third day, both participants have the same score. John also have 3000 and another participant is also 3000. So on the first day, John needs more steps. Here 500 more steps will be required. So sample output will be case hash 1 colon 500. In the sample, the competition ran for 3 days and the participant ID of John was 1 on the day 1. The other participant has more steps. John needs more 500 additional steps. On the rest of the days, as John already has the maximum steps, he needs no additional steps. So he needs a total number of 500 additional to achieve his goal. Additional sample test cases to MNP has been given. 3 participants has been competition run for the 2 days, and ID of the is 3. Here 1000, 2000, 1000. This is here thousand more steps are required for the John. Second is the 332 year 2500. In the sample case, hash 1 the competition for 2 days and the participant ID of John was 3. He needs an additional 1000 steps on day 1 and 0 steps on 0 steps on the day 2. He needs an additional 1000 on day 1 and 0 steps for the on day 2 to achieve his goal. So he needs a total of 1000 additions to achieve his goal. In the sample case, hash 2 the competition ran for 3 days and the participant ID of John was 2. He needs an additional 0 steps on day 1, 2000 on day 2 and 500 steps on day 3 to achieve his goal. So he needs a total of 2500 additional to achieve this goal. So this is the first problem of the Google Kickstart.